Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create shattered glass. So this technique is going to be pretty quick and pretty simple. And in order to go ahead and start things out, we need to have some glass to go ahead and work with. So I've already drawn glass kind of emanating in a circle. I'll just do a few here just to go ahead and show you. You want to create like a diamond tip, triangular tips, and I'm drawing these kind of moving around in a circle, right? They're all emanating from the center. So that's not the tip here. The tip is, how do I make it seem like there's even more glass shattering without having to draw every single shard after I've already made a good starting point? So that's what I want to show you next. So the way we're going to do this is, you want to first of all make sure that you have an enclosed shape for nearly all of the shards that you've already created. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a magic wand tool selection outside of all of the shapes. And then I'm going to inverse the selection, Shift Command I, and that will select the actual shards themselves. And what I'm going to do is I'll make a new layer underneath the shard layer, and I'm just going to fill it in with white. So effectively what I have, and you may not be able to see it here, but I'll just go ahead and create a background. There we go, we've got our shards. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply take these two layers that I currently have, I'm going to group them. I'll call this shard, and I'll duplicate it by hitting Command J, that makes a copy. I'll call this shard 2. And what I want to do here is I want to go ahead and scale it out. And just to keep things looking a little bit more organic, what I'll do is I will flip vertical, and I can just kind of extend it all the way out. And so what I've done here is I've been able to have the shards separated in such a way that I don't have to go back in and erase. If I had to draw this by hand, yeah, I could do it, but in this way I'm getting something that looks more organic, and it's fairly quick. And the reason why I went ahead and added the color layers underneath each of these shard layers is it allows me to go ahead and have shard layers easily overlap other shard layers without me having to do that manually. So I hope you found this tip to be useful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.